Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is a vibrant tropical superfood that's been capturing attention around the globe. Its exotic appearance, with striking pink or yellow skin and speckled pulp, is just the beginning of its appeal. But what's truly impressive about dragon fruit lies beneath the surface: its remarkable benefits, versatile uses, and the fascinating secrets of its cultivation. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dragon fruit, unpacking its health advantages, creative culinary uses, and insider farming tips, brought to you by SMART-AGRI Hub. Let's start with the health benefits of dragon fruit. Packed with nutrients, dragon fruit is an excellent source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. These components play a vital role in boosting your immune system, aiding digestion, and fighting free radicals that can damage your cells. Just 1 cup of dragon fruit provides nearly 9% of your daily recommended vitamin C, helping to strengthen your body's defenses. The fiber content supports a healthy gut, promoting regularity and reducing the risk of certain digestive issues. But that's not all. Dragon fruit is rich in magnesium, which is essential for energy production, bone health, and muscle function. The fruit's antioxidants, including betalains, hydroxycinamates, and flavonoids, help protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Emerging research suggests that these compounds may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Plus, dragon fruit is naturally low in calories, making it a satisfying snack for those watching their weight. People with diabetes or those managing blood sugar levels will be interested to know that dragon fruit may assist in regulating glucose. The fiber slows down sugar absorption, and studies indicate that the fruit can improve insulin resistance, making it a smart choice for a balanced diet. Its high water content also keeps you hydrated, which is crucial for overall wellness. Beyond health, dragon fruit shines in culinary creativity. Its mildly sweet flavor and crunchy texture make it adaptable for both sweet and savory dishes. You can slice and eat it fresh, add it to smoothie bowls, toss it into fruit salads, or blend it into refreshing drinks. For an exotic twist, try pairing dragon fruit with citrus fruits or tropical flavors like pineapple and mango. Its bright color also makes it a favorite for decorative plating. Dragon fruit is a star ingredient in juices, jams, and desserts. Freeze it for a healthy popsicle or use it as a topping for oatmeal and yogurt. In baking, it can add moisture and color to cakes and muffins. Some chefs incorporate dragon fruit into salsas, pairing its subtle sweetness with spicy peppers and lime for a unique condiment. With its versatility, dragon fruit can elevate both everyday snacks and gourmet dishes. Now, let's pull back the curtain on dragon fruit farming. Cultivating this crop can be both rewarding and lucrative, especially as global demand grows. Dragon fruit is a cactus species, thriving in warm climates with plenty of sunlight. It prefers well-drained soil rich in organic matter, and it's known for its resilience in drought-prone regions. However, successful farming requires more than just planting and waiting. Propagation usually begins with cuttings from mature plants, which root easily and grow rapidly. Farmers often use trellises or vertical supports, as dragon fruit vines can climb and produce more fruit when elevated. Proper spacing is essential for airflow and sunlight penetration, which helps prevent diseases and encourages healthy growth. Watering is a key aspect. Dragon fruit needs consistent moisture but hates soggy roots. Drip irrigation is a popular method, allowing farmers to deliver water directly to the base of each plant, conserving resources and minimizing disease risk. Mulching around the base helps retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilization is another secret to high yields. Organic compost or balanced fertilizers applied during the growing season supply essential nutrients, especially phosphorus and potassium. These elements support flowering and fruit development, ensuring large, flavorful harvests. Pollination is an often overlooked step in dragon fruit farming. While some varieties are self-pollinating, others rely on bats or bees. In commercial settings, farmers may hand-pollinate flowers to guarantee fruit set and boost yields. Flowers bloom at night, and pollination must happen quickly, so timing and attention to detail are crucial. Pests and diseases are manageable with proactive care. The most common issues include stem rot, mealybugs, and fungal infections. Integrated pest management, including regular inspections, natural predators, and organic sprays, helps keep plants healthy without relying on harsh chemicals. Harvesting dragon fruit is an exciting moment for growers. The fruit is ready when its skin turns vibrant and the scales begin to separate slightly. A gentle twist usually releases the fruit from the stem. Dragon fruit doesn't ripen much after harvest, so timing is key to ensure the best flavor and shelf life. Post-harvest handling is vital for market success. Washing, grading, and careful packaging protect the delicate fruit and maintain its visual appeal. Cold storage extends shelf life, and innovative techniques like modified atmosphere packaging help farmers reach distant markets with fresh, high-quality produce. But what about profitability? Dragon fruit farming offers excellent returns for those who master the secrets of cultivation. With increasing demand in health-conscious markets, farmers can tap into fresh fruit sales, value-added products like jams and juices, or even export opportunities. Diversification, growing different dragon fruit varieties or integrating other crops can further boost income and reduce risk. SMART-AGRI Hub recommends starting small, learning the ropes, and scaling up with experience. Networking with other growers, attending workshops, and leveraging digital tools for farm management all contribute to long-term success. Sustainable practices, such as organic farming and water conservation, not only protect the environment, but also appeal to eco-friendly consumers. In summary, dragon fruit stands out as a superfood with significant health benefits, culinary flexibility, and fascinating farming opportunities. Whether you're a consumer seeking nutritious options, a chef looking for a creative ingredient, or an aspiring farmer aiming for profitable returns, dragon fruit has something to offer. With its striking appearance, mild flavor, and impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder dragon fruit is making waves worldwide. If you're interested in exploring dragon fruit further, whether for your plate or your farm, SMART-AGRI Hub is here to guide you. From selecting the best varieties and mastering cultivation to maximizing market potential, our resources empower you to unlock the full potential of this extraordinary fruit. Embrace the dragon fruit revolution and discover the benefits, uses, and farming secrets that can transform your health, your meals, and your livelihood.